Yo, so decent day in the market, but are we actually going back up? That's the question and what I'm doing. So, hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to go over a few things because the market actually turned around a little bit for me. And like, I didn't make too many plays. I only did a few things here. Like I rolled my cash secured put for Tesla to next week just to collect a few, like another $100, because I actually don't believe what we're seeing. Like I actually think it's a kind of like a little trap. Like my cash secured put for Tesla was for this week at 277, even though we're at 279 right now. Like I'm not convinced that it's going to stay above that, so I rolled it actually down to 270 for next week, which I'm fine with because I have a feeling we're not there just yet, but I think 270 is a solid number. And so I got $120 from that. I also did a Palantir cash secured put for 86 at one to get me 115. So for this week, I only collected $861, way less than I'm used to, but like I am a little bit of fearful because I can't time the market, but I want to know that the bottom is in. Like that's pretty much what I'm looking for. So let's, if my computer would work for me really quick here, that's what I want to get into, because that's the way the cookie's gonna crumble, you know. So trying to figure out my stream deck so I could show you my desktop here, and let's see if it lets me do it really quick. Perfect. So here we are on my desktop. This is Tesla. So here we are, like it's bouncing. Let me get rid of this RSI and let's put in what I like seeing, the EMA lines. I do like seeing those. So it actually broke the 200 EMA line. That's why I'm a little bit like, I don't know, because it broke through it pretty heavily. So I'm not really sure where we're playing with, right? So we're going to test it a little bit if we come back up to like 300. And then if it like gets rejected, then we going down. Like that's what I'm looking at for Tesla. But overall, if you look at the VIX, we're still pretty high, guys. We're at 21. So there is still a lot of fear in the market. And QQQ, we are really testing this 200 EMA line. So that's why I'm saying I'm not really sure if this is like a full reversal yet. Like I'm usually used to like 3 bounces down, like for like big dips. Like if you look at the other ones, 1, 2, 3. We only have 2 here. Like there could be like a green candle and boom, back down. So why did I do that? I moved that too much. Like so that's what I'm looking at. I'm a little bit weary, but it's okay because we're still gonna make money no matter what. And I'm DCAing in. Like today, I bought another few hundred, not a few hundred, like 10 shares of Tesla again. Like as we're going down in the 270s, 280s, like my cost basis is already in the 200s. And I do believe this will eventually turn around, which is a good thing. So it's like I'm DCAing in and just like making sure that when we do come back up, I will capture appreciation. And of course, Goldman Sachs revised its price target for Tesla from 345 to 320. So we're like, a lot of people are saying we're not even going that much higher yet until certain time. So I'm DCAing in the lower we go. I'll DCA in as we go back up. And I just want to look at Palantir as well. Palantir's at 90 and I did a cash put at 86. That got me a few $100. So like I'm happy with that as well. So here we are on, I always use Robinhood because it's so easy to teach on this. Like it's just so easy to teach. I'll leave. So if I just had cash sitting around, and I would be making plays for next Friday. So for Nvidia, like I personally would be doing like a 9-day cash secured put And I like all these prices, but of course I'm gonna be nice and go down to like a 35% delta. I don't like that. 112 probably is 30. Yep. So this is probably right above 30. Oh, this is actually 30. No, 36. 114. 114. So I'd probably be doing this cash secured put for 9 days out, collect $276, which is not bad for the amount of days we have here, because like I said, we don't know where the bottom is. I don't like putting in plays too far out in advance and then ending up being too deep in the money. So 276 divided by 114. That's almost 2.5% for a 9-day play. Not bad. I like that a lot. So 276 and then 276 times, like, it's a static number, but I like doing this. Like, what's 52 divided by 2? 26. You get $7,000, potentially $7,000 by the end of the year if you're able to do this 12 times. Like, if you're able to do this consistently for 26 weeks and get that same amount of premium, that's a good amount of money for your capital. And that is, you could just divide it by 11400 if you're just using the same amount over and over again, 63%. And that's what I love about the wheel strategy, is that you're collateralizing your shares or your money, and in doing so, you could literally go in a circle. That's why it's called the wheel, and you can just make money using the same money over and over again. And that's the beauty of wheeling, and that's why you only do this with stocks that you want in your portfolio. You only do this with stocks that are fundamentally strong. You only do this with stocks that are going to be around a long time. Like, and again, I have to reiterate, only do this with stocks that you want in your portfolio. Don't make the mistake that a lot of people do and chase premium, chase like get rich quick, get money quick things. Like, yeah, can you find stocks that are cheaper than Nvidia and giving like the same amount of premium? Absolutely. Yeah, you can. But if you end up having to buy those 100 shares at whatever strike price you chose, right? And then the stock just like crashes. Guess who's holding the bag? You are, just so you can make a quick buck really quick. Like, just so you make a little bit more money. It's not the right way to do it. And that's how you're going to get caught. And that's just premium chasing. And then it's not going to work out for you. Like, that's what I want to tell a lot of people that end up following me on the free Discord or inquiring about mentorship. They show me a lot of stocks where I'm like, I personally wouldn't touch. Like, yeah, a lot of these stocks look really good premium wise. The delta says it's 30%, but you look at the trading volume and like there's not a lot of info on like PE ratios. There's not a lot of info on their fundamentals, anything, but they're just literally just looking at the bid ask spread and seeing how much premium they're getting. And that's what they're obsessing with. Like, oh, if I could do this over a month, 6 months, a year, I can make X amount of money and make over 100% on the money that I'm using as collateral. Don't fall into that trap, guys. You got to do things safely here. If you want to grow your portfolio, you got to do it safely and just do it the right way. I teach it the simplest way possible. Like, I want everyone to do well. And in doing so, you just got to choose fundamentally strong stocks that you want in your portfolio. And because you have like 90% control of what happens with these plays, you choose the strike price, you choose the delta, you choose the expiration date. The only thing that you don't have control of is what the market does. So you have full control on almost everything. So when a trade goes sideways or something like that, for the most part, you got to take accountability and know that you messed up. If you chased premium, you did that to yourself. If you end up holding a bag, if you end up winning that trade, just know you got lucky. Like that's how it got to be. And so like, this is what I wanted to go over. And like, guys, it's not hard. I'm pretty sure. Actually, I'm not pretty sure. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not sure that this is a full rebound yet. I'm really not sure. I actually think we actually go a little bit lower. I was talking about this with another YouTuber, another person that sells options. I said, I actually don't think this is it. I think there's going to be another significant drop. And then just because of the presidency and all these policies going on, I'm not sure what's going to happen. So we're going to have a lot of volatile days, weeks, months. I do think overall the year is going to be bullish, but there's going to be some weeks where we're like, oh man, this is kind of wild. So that's all I really want to get into today. Really quick video. And if you like what you're seeing, if you like that I'm teaching it like this, you like that I show my portfolio, you like that I'm just sharing what I'm personally doing and what I think is going to happen. So if you like what you're seeing, if you like what you're hearing, if you want to follow me in my journey to build this portfolio, the one I show you strictly is now sitting at like 70-ish thousand. I'm going to get that to $100,000 and then I'll start showing you more of my other portfolios, but I want to really grow that one out and get it up as high as I can. So let me know what you guys think. If you want to follow this journey, I'm really excited to show you guys exactly how I do everything. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. If you like free stocks, free money, check out the affiliate links down below. Yeah, they do help out the channel, but you also get free money out of it as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace.